Well, hello there, friends. Today we're making chicken fried rice, my way. You're gonna love it. It's wonderful. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Stay tuned, friends. We're making chicken fried rice together. It's amazing. Well, hello there, friends. Let me show you how I make fried rice. Chicken fried rice I'm going to make for you today. I got a bunch of stuff we can put in it, too. We can make it fun. Now, for those of you that are expert in fried rice, don't worry about it. Relax. Have a couple of drinks. It won't take that long. But I'm going to violate everything you know about making fried rice. Because if you wanted to see a traditional one, go see there's plenty of them out there. That's not what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm using a non-stick wok because I got one. You don't have one? Use whatever wok you like to use, my friends. I am also, you can put a cooking oil, but I like better butter. Yeah, so I'm going to put a bit of clarified butter. A little bit of clarified butter. You don't have any of that, just use your cooking oil, whatever you want, my friends, whatever it is. Yeah, don't worry about it. You know, cooking is supposed to be fun. Relax, have fun. We're not sending a man on the moon. We're just making a little fried rice. Really, really simple stuff. First thing we're going to do is we're going to saute some chicken. Actually, no, that's not the first thing we're going to do. We're going to cook the eggs first. I'm going to put them away. I got 3 eggs that I broke. I'm making enough for 2 serving. Probably going to be a little bit more than 2 serving, but okay, we're going to put the egg in there. Let's check the temperature. We don't want it to be too hot. But we want it to be hot enough so it cooks at about 200, 250 is good enough. We're going to take the eggs. We're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. Let's go a little hotter. I don't want to be too hot. A little salt and pepper in there. All right, and then we're going to break the egg. We're not going to overcook them. And then we're going to remove them. We're going to remove them. And then we're going to put the chicken in there. You see? A lot of people overcook them. I don't like to overcook them. Like I said, friends, it's the way I make it. You don't like it the way I make it? Then don't make it. But this is a really simple way. You want to have a nice little dinner, cook them a little bit, that's it. They're cooked. They're done. You want to have a quick dinner one night, you don't want to do too much work preparing and things, I make a little fried rice. Really simple, my friends, eh? All right, so now we got our eggs. We can add them later. Let's crank the heat a little bit. We're going to put them there. We'll put them at the end. So now we're going to put a little bit more of the clarified butter. Like I say, you don't have clarified butter, don't worry about it. Put a cooking oil, it'll be fine. I got some chicken. I got about an 8-ounce breast of chicken. Skinless and boneless, then I diced in little dice. I dice it in little dice. So, wow. Leave it up to me. I come up with some really good English lesson for everybody. So look, we're going to put the chicken in there. Wish this thing was a little hotter, but that's okay. We're going to put some red onion because I got them. And red onion are fantastic for these folks because they don't need to be caramelized like a regular white or Spanish onion, okay? So we're going to put them in there. They're great if you have them. You don't have it, just regular onion, but you got to put it first, okay? All right, so far easy, right? While this is going, we'll put a little salt and pepper in there. Let me tell you about the rest of the ingredients I have, friends. I'm going to give it some color a little bit, right? Now, I got asparagus. You're going to say, asparagus? How do I get asparagus? Right now, it's in season. They're wonderful. So I had them. I made them last night for dinner. And I said, you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to make a fried rice. I'm going to save some. So I poached them in boiling water. Remember that. If you got to peel them. You got to peel asparagus. Some people said, oh, nobody peels asparagus. Well, I do. And if you peel them, you can eat the whole thing. That's the beauty about it. If you forgot, watch the video where I cut all the vegetables. Jack is going to put a link right there for you guys so you can see it. You peel them, you poach them in boiling water, and then those guys, look, a beautiful and fresh that is. You see, fresh asparagus, they're nice and tight. I poach this first, and then I poach this. I don't put them at the same time, okay? I got a little bit of bell pepper. See, that's what I want right there. I want some color. You see, I want some color because I like color in my when I do a stir-fried chicken. It's got more flavor. And more flavor. So let's make sure all the pieces are turned, right? Very simple dish, my friend. This is like a small dice on the bell pepper. If you haven't seen the video to do small dice, check it out. That's the same video we do the asparagus, we do all the vegetables. You guys wanted this video a long time ago. We finally decided to do it. I'm so glad I did it. So many of you love that video. It's going to be a video that's going to live on YouTube for years. It's a wonderful one. So many people say, you know, I've been cooking for 50 years. I've been doing it wrong for 50 years. I learned so much, how to cut the broccoli, how to cut the cauliflower. The comments were fantastic. I love the comments. I try to read them all. Sometimes it's difficult, friends, because between all the videos that we have online now, we got, I don't know, 150, 200 videos. One day we can get 1,000 comments between all of them. So I try to read them all, but sometimes it's tough to keep up. Put the asparagus in there. The asparagus is cooked, remember? Everything you put in the stir fry has got to be cooked, my friend. Put a broccoli in there. It gotta be cooked. They gotta be they gotta be poached in boiling water and in nice water. We're gonna put a little soy sauce in there, a little tamari, put it around. Right? We're gonna put a little bit of hot sauce. That's up to you guys, eh? I put just a little bit. I don't want to put too much. That's really up to you. And at the end, we're gonna put a little bit of toasted sesame oil, just a little bit at the end to give it this amazing toasty flavor of, I love it. I absolutely love it. So look, we're looking good, right? Now we're gonna put the rice. The rice, friends, I use jasmine rice. Jasmine rice was cooked. It's best if you do it the day before, friends. This was 1 cup of rice. And it blows up to 2 cups when you cook it. Again, we have this awesome video about how to cook the rice, perfect rice. The idea, friends, of cooking the perfect rice is to make sure you put butter. Yeah, you put butter in anything, it'll make it taste good. It's better with butter. That should be my slogan. It's better with butter. It really is. I don't care what you cook. You put butter in it, it's going to taste good, okay? Look, a little more soy sauce right there on the left. Just a little bit more. Then we're putting the egg, my friends, right there on top. Just like this. Boom. We're going to break them up. So now you have an egg that is not overcooked. That is perfect. Break it up. And right here, my friends, you got yourself a beautiful fried rice. Then it's done. What I like to do at the end is just to put a little bit of the toasted sesame oil, just a little bit on top, friends. And right there, you have yourself a beautiful, delicious fried rice, just a touch of toasted sesame oil, just a little bit, just like this. You can also give it a little freshness here. I got a little chopped parsley or cilantro, whatever you want. Right, turn this off. I'm going to test it, friends. I'm very excited. I love this. I love my life, period. I love to cook for you guys. It's a lot of fun. You guys are so nice, let me tell you. I tell every chef, friends of mine that I have, you retire, start your own YouTube channel. Share with the YouTube community out there everything you know. I help them, I promote them. Go in there and start your own YouTube channel if you're a chef and you have time to do it. If you're retired, by all means, you have time to do it. Look. Oh. I love it. One more thing. Remember the rice? You should cook it the day before. You put it on a cookie sheet and you leave it in the fridge, open, not covered. So it gets a little dry in there. And don't forget to put the butter. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. It was fun to cook for you. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next couple of days with another fantastic video, friends.